So hi guys, and are you ready? Because I really think that you should really be ready right now because Stray Kids is back! And in this video guys, we're gonna react to their Thunderous music video, and just like the title, Thunderous, this will surely bring a lot of noise around the world. Not just some noise, but a lot of noise. And this will surely be a banger, I'm telling you, man. If you haven't yet heard the unveiled tracks that is included in the album, each song is just really like a title track. Anyway guys, let's not make this any more longer and let's start reacting in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, here we go. Oh man, this animation looks so cool. And the beat, it's really upbeat. Oh, fire. And the rap. Yo, they are really cool. All of the change of dialect. Eugene. Wow, transition. Yo, this jaw dropping so much. And if I'm not mistaken, that's Bang Chen, right? And this is Lino. Yo, your mouth will just really get tired on being like jaw dropping every time. Man, this is so awesome. Yeah guys, it's boom boom boom, just like the lyrics there. Let's go Eugene. The moves are just so smooth. Look how fast the head movements. But really man, everything's so perfect. The choreo, formations, vocals, visuals, everything. Everything's just, yeah, so thunderous, man. It's like the title. Alright, the change of tempo. Yo, epic. Read of that. Yo, their moves are just so smooth, and the transition, production. Ooh, man, this part. The synchronization too. Yo, the effect, everything, man. Oh. Yo, it's really jaw-dropping, man. I'm telling you, so cool. Yo, that's why the title is Thunderous, because it's like you've been hit by a lightning or a thunder. Man, that is just really pure awesomeness, and just really make your jaw tired because it just keep on dropping. Anyway guys, again, why not stun Stray Kids with that? Even though I'm just really like a new fan of them, but wow. Wow, right? You'll just really stun them so much. Anyway guys, I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.